Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a pumpkin refresh. Let's get into it. So if you weren't around last year, these are fabric pumpkins that I made around Halloween fall time last year, and I have had these in my bathrooms all year since. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disinfect them because they've been in the bathroom for a year. So let me disinfect them and then we'll keep talking. Okay, and this disinfectant, not sponsored, but if you go to Sam's Club, highly recommend. So this stuff and then like a giant bottle, it's like 10 bucks. The bottle I actually use in the washing machine when I'm washing clothes. And then like if you work out or like wear a lot of cologne, it helps get that smell out. And the other thing you could do is that concentrate, you can put it in the bottle and like add water and then you have more spray. But there's so many things you can use it for. It's a deodorizer, it's a disinfectant. This smell is eucalyptus, so it's like, it's pretty neutral. It smells pretty good. It's pretty fresh smelling. And then they have other scents like lavender and things like that, but not sponsored, but highly recommend this stuff. It's really good. So I'm letting these just sit with the disinfectant for a minute. Let me just wipe the table. So these have been up on display in my bathrooms. I have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. And so they've been in the bathrooms. 3 of them were in one bathroom and then each of the others was in another bathroom. And I just think they're so cute. If you don't know, the inside of them, let's take out the piece of wood, is a roll of toilet paper. So it's great because like it's a backup roll just in case you needed it, but you don't have to use it. And I do have like these like hanging things on the side of the toilet to have extra toilet paper. I should have grabbed my lint roller before I started. 1 second. So I went ahead and sprayed them with disinfectant. The next thing I'm going to do is get a fresh sheet on my lint roller here. And then I'm just going to lint roll all the edges. They really weren't that dusty. I'll show a picture of them up close, but I just want to make sure they're nice and fresh so they can sit on the shelf for another year. I love pumpkins. I think these are so cute. I have my pumpkin decor throughout my house all year round. I don't care. I'm not one to decorate. I don't really like having decorations. So like I don't want to like put all the stuff away and bring out stuff for Christmas. Like I don't like that. So I like just having these out all year round. But yeah, you just take the toilet paper and then you just stuff the fabric. It's really not that complicated. I have a whole video about like how big to cut the fabric and stuff like that. I'll have that video linked, but today we're just refreshing them. Okay, so I'm gonna do that to each one of them, have it disinfected, and then have it lint rolled. So now it's all fresh and ready to go. Let me know, did any of you guys do this project last year when I showed the video? If you did you leave it out all year? Did you change it out? You could also change the fabric. Like this is like a fall pumpkin patch theme. So it looks like a pumpkin and it's pumpkin fabric. You could definitely do like a summer fabric and a spring fabric. So let me know in the comments what fabric you guys used. I loved this project. I thought it was so much fun. Another thing you could do instead of like disinfecting and lint rolling, I could have just thrown these pieces in the washing machine and the dryer, but I figured this was like a lot easier just to knock this out real quick. And we could do it together and I could give you an update on how they look. Okay. And now that we're actually into fall, they belong. But I don't care. They make me happy. Your house should make you happy. So do whatever makes you happy. Okay. Oops. This one had some pieces of wood that just came out. Alrighty. Let me know what kinds of projects you guys want to see as we're going into the holiday season. Let me know what project plans you have for the holiday season. What are you planning to sew for your family and friends? I do have some project ideas that I want to share with you guys that I think would make great Christmas gifts. So Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and then you'll see when I post those videos. This one's a little bit small. Let's get this up here. Just gotta finesse it a bit, get it to fit. Pro tip, don't cut a rectangle, cut a square. This one is being a little janky. All right. And there we go. Perfect. See here? And in case you were wondering, the little sticks of wood, yep, they're just wood from outside. I just grabbed a little branch and cut it up. This one I put a grocery bag inside of, so you don't have to do that, but you could do that if you wanted to. It gives it like an extra layer of texture. One project I'm really excited about this holiday season is the Grinch Advent Calendar fabric. I'm so excited. I need to look up some videos on Advent calendars to figure out exactly how I want to make it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll have that haul linked down below. But I'm very excited to make that. I need to make that in November so that I have it for December. But knowing me, it'll probably get put on the back burner because I just have too many projects to do and not enough time. I have 8 shows left this season, maybe 9. So this weekend I will be at Leesport Farmers Market, which I'm really excited. I really like that venue. It is so easy to be there. Everyone there has always been so kind. It's just really nice to go there. I like how my car is easily accessible next to my booth. And then the next weekend I will be at the Quakertown Autumn Alive Festival. I have not been as a vendor or as a customer, but I've heard really good things, so I'm very excited. I think it's going to be super hectic, but I'm looking forward to it. And then in November, the first 2 weeks of November, I have 4 shows, which is bonkers. So I took 2 weeks of PTO from my full-time job so that I can just focus on my shows, because I'm nervous that I'm gonna sell out of something at one of the shows and I'll need time to make more stuff. So that'll be a good problem to have, but if I had to work in between the shows, there's no time to make anything. So that's pretty exciting. And then in December, I was supposed to be at Idly. I don't think I'll be at Idly this winter, but I will be at the, what's it called? The Claude Moore for the Real Ladies of Loudoun County. And they are doing their Christmas Expo show, so I'll be doing that. And then I'll be at Leesport Farmers Market in December as well. So there we go. All of our pumpkins are refreshed. They are ready to sit on the shelf for another year. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.